So, hi friends, today our journey is to this beautiful place called Antargange. So, this is in Kolar. So, ಇದು ಕೋಲಾರಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರಿಂದ ಒಂದು 45-50 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ರೇಂಜಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಹಿಲ್ಲಿ ಏರಿಯಾ, ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡೋಕ್ಕೆ. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ವೆದರ್ ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ, ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು ನೀವು. ಸೊ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ವೆದರ್ ಇದೆ, ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನೋಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಟ್ರೆಕ್ಕಿಂಗು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲಿ, ಆದರೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನವೂ ಇದೆ ಮತ್ತು ಒಂದು ನಂದಿ ವಿಗ್ರಹವೂ ಇದೆ, ಅದರಿಂದ ನೀರು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಕಮ್ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಗೋ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೋರ್ ದ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಅಂತರಗಂಗೆ. Golden Almond Resort. So this is on the way to the Kolar. It's a beautiful resort. So once or twice I have been over here for company outing. It's been beautiful inside also and outside also. There is one idol of Egypt mummy over here, so you can just check over here. Egypt mummy, it looks very beautiful. So when the lockdown is over, you can plan for a outing to this place, or else like while going to Kolar or like any other tourist places towards Mulbagal, Kolar, you can just have a look at this place. Come, let's carry on with our journey to the beautiful place called Antaragange. So we have reached Kolar and like now we are heading towards the Antaragange hill. In the circle over here, you need to take a left to go to the Antaragange hill. So we are arriving near the Antaragange hill, starting point of the Antaragange hill. We'll see how it is. I'm visiting after so many long time. रे लकड़ी का पुल. There is a masjid over here, and this is very beautiful place of finally we have reached the destination, that is Antaragange hill. This is the starting of the hill, you can see behind me. So let's start our trekking journey from the with the God's blessing. Om Namah Shivaya. It is so much greenery around, you can see, because from few days it was raining around. There is a watchtower over here. Come look. Let's go and see how it looks. I have been visited like previously. There are more monkeys over there. And many couples come here for their private time. So many monkeys around. Should be careful with my DSLR and my handycam. ಏನು ಇದನ್ನು ಕಿತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೊರಟೋಗುತ್ತಾ? ಓಕೆ, ವ್ಯೂ ಹೊಡೆದ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. there is no
ಏನು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ನೋಡೋಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ, ಬರೀ ಕೋತಿಗಳು ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ವಾಚ್ ಟವರ್ ಒಂದಿದೆ, ಅದು ವೇಸ್ಟೇ. ಸೊ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್. ಪ್ರೇಮಿಗಳು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಟೈಮ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ನಮ್ಮದೆಲ್ಲ ಟೈಮ್ ಆಗೋಯ್ತು. ಇವಾಗ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬ್ಲಾಗಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ಬೆಟ್ಟ ಹತ್ತೋದನ್ನು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೋರ್ ಅಂತರಗಂಗೆ. So finally we reached the destination, Antaragange hilltop. So where the temple is, you can see the temple over there. That is Kashi Vishweshwara temple, and this is the place where the water comes out of the Shiva Nandi's mouth, and that is Ganapati hidden in front of the pool. Come, I'll show you the front view where you can see the water falling from the Nandi's mouth. So I'll take you near the Nandi. Now you can just check how beautiful this is. I'm showing you 360-degree view of this pool. How beautiful it is. So it's been painted recently, I think. Looking very good. And this is Anjaneya temple. Over here you can just see Anjaneya has another one, Bhakta Anjaneya, little Anjaneya over here, and there is a Shivlinga over here. This is very old temple. So it was constructed very long years. This peaceful place, you can see how much greenery around. Come, I'll just take you near the Nandi Vigraha where the water is coming out from. Let's see the temple, Kashi Vishweshwara Swami. Now it is closed. Whenever you come early in the morning, it will be open for the public to go inside the temple. The Shivlinga is very beautiful inside the temple, and you can see the gang of monkeys over here. Should be careful with the monkeys. This is the oldest Nandi Vigraha over here. You can see the beautiful scenery around. How beautiful it is. Come, I'll show you the top view of the pool. You can see how beautiful. You can see the gang of monkeys over there. I'll just try to show you the Shivlinga if possible from outside. Yeah, it is visible. You can see the Shivlinga. I know it's hardly visible, but this Shivlinga is Kashi Vishweshwara. Om Namah Shivaya. Trayambakam Yajamahim Sugandhim Pushtivartanam Purvarutamiv Vandarat Mrityor Mukshiyam Amritam. And there is Navagraha Gudi also beside, where there are Navagrahas inside, and monkeys will be playing around over here. And this is show you the Nandi Vigraha from where the water is coming out from. come over here and go to this place. Beautiful place, and you can see the water can be very purest form of water. Natural water coming from the hilltop and it falls over here. It is very beautiful. Just come and taste. The people from Kolar over here bring the cans and get filled with the cans with the water. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನೀರು ತುಂಬಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾಸುನು ಮಾರ್ತಾರೆ. ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ವೆರಿ ಸ್ವೀಟ್ ವಾಟರ್. ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಕಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡ್ರಿಂಕ್ ದ ವಾಟರ್ ಓವರ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಮಿಸ್ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಿಸ್ಲರಿ ವಾಟರು ಏನು ಕೆಲಸಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಸಚ್ ಎ ಪ್ಯೂರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟರ್. ಸೊ ದೆರ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ನಾನನೂ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಆದರೆ ಶ್ಯಾಂಪು ಹಾಕೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಮತ್ತು ಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಬನ್ನಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ವೇರ್ ದ ವಾಟರ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ನಂದಿಕಮ್. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿ ಹೌ ನೈಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಲುಕ್ಸ್. This is a Gopura for that Nandi, and everywhere we are welcomed with our lovely devoted God, Lord Ganapati. And you can just check over here, and this is where the water falling. You can see it is coming out of that place, and it is falling straight down there, and like it is going to the Honda. How beautiful it is. You can see. Hey. See what man? Hey. ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಅದು ಕೈ ಹತ್ತಿತ್ತು. It's a monkey play around. You can see the water coming out here and like falling out. Hey! Monkey is playing around. The water, how it looks. The water is coming. Before it used to very small amount of water coming out of very thin water. Now it is bad because the rain has been pouring since last 1 week. So winded up watching Antargange Hill. This was a beautiful. So winded up watching the beautiful hill called Antargange, which is in Kolar. This is like a 45 to 50 kilometers away from Hoskote. I think like nearby 60 kilometers from middle of the Bangalore. So one day must visit with your family and friends. If lovers, they too can visit. It's a nice place, and you can see beautiful ducklings over here. How beautiful they are. So with the greenery around, with the ducks and pigeons, must visit place. Winding up for the day. Please subscribe, like and share my. So I am moving towards the place. There is one. Their localites are saying ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹೋದರೆ ನೋಡುವ ಬನ್ನಿ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಮಳೆ ಬಿದ್ದಾಗ ಬೀಳುತ್ತಲ್ವ ಚಿಕ್ಕದಾಗಿ ಒಂಥರ ಸೇಮ್ ಥರ ಆ ಥರ ಅದು. ನೋಡೋಣ ಹೇಗಿದೆ. ತುಂಬ ಕಷ್ಟನೇ ಇದ್ದಂಗಿದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋ ನೀರು. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ಹೌ ಬಿಗ್ ದ ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಮ್ ವುಡ್ ಬಿ, ಬಟ್ ದ ಗ್ರೀನರಿ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಪುಣ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಕಲ್ಲುಗಳನ್ನ ಹಾಕಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ರೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನೋಡಬೇಕು. Already gang of people are there. Let's see how it looks. There is no water over here.
अयो यहाँ से आ रहा है पानी, क्या आ रहा
खबर झाला कॅमेरा आहे टकला आहे ना त्या
So I think when it rains, this place would look much more better. Let's wait for more rains. When it rains heavily, we can just visit and we can find water over here. You can see the traces of water over here. Let's wait for a few more days when it rains heavily and this place gets fully with water. Till then, take care. Bye bye guys.